Welcome back. Today we will be trying the Surviving Vegan Baked Mac and Cheese. Here are all the ingredients that you will need. I did omit several of the ingredients and made some substitution. I did use Violife, mature cheddar slices, and the Follow Your Heart Gouda cheese. Here I am boiling the water. What I did add to my spring water was 2 tablespoons of organic garlic, or 2 tablespoons of organic onion powder, 3 tablespoons of the Earth Balance soy-free butter, and sea salt. And I use 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Don't forget to continuously stir the seasonings because they will begin to clump up on you, as you can see. What I know now is that I wouldn't have added the seasonings to the cheese mixture. It was just too much for me. It gave a nice taste to the noodles, but to add it to the cheesy sauce, it just overpowered everything, and I would omit that. Salt and pepper works best. Make sure you bring your milk to a simmer on a medium heat and then turn the heat to a medium low, and add in your 3 packs of your plant-based cheese, and make sure you separate the slices of cheese before adding it to the milk so the cheese can begin to melt, and continuously stir the cheese to help it melt, and that's going to take about 5 minutes. If it's taking too long to melt, then you can turn your heat up, but do not bring it to a boil. Just continue to stir and it will melt. And Violife, or when I like Violife, it melts pretty well. I've had some issues with Follow My Heart, and I did opt out at this time to put the Gouda cheese in. I just used the 2 packs. Your cheese mixture should be thick. If it's not thick, this means that you made your milk mixture too hot. Just remove it from the heated eye to cool and allow it to thicken. And that should take about 10 to 20 minutes. Then you want to pour half of the cheese mix over the noodle and fold the mixture into the noodles. And start at the corner of the baking dish using a big spoon to fold the noodles inward and to help spread the cheese sauce out. There should be no holes or gaps when you look at the noodles through your glass dish. And I forgot to record it, or I don't know, zone out. I was over it, I guess, at this point. Oh, and don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees while you're making your cheese sauce, so it'll be ready to go in the oven when you're done. You can pour the remainder of your cheese sauce on top of the noodles, or you could just save some to make a small batch. Just make sure you have a big enough pan, and if your pan is not that deep, then you'll need to place another pan under it so that it'll protect your oven from spillage of the cheese sauce.